Right, the imaginary beacons are on, and I do myself identify as a high visibility vest, yeah, so you can all fuck off. I've got the blue lights behind me, they'll do the job this time. Causing scenes here because people don't understand what fucking hazard lights look like and they feel like they can follow me. What's happening, mate? You alright? Sorry? Yeah. I drove past you twice. One of you mind standing this side for us? Just with your jacket on, I've got to lay down here. Cheers, mate. Is that all ready to roll? Yeah?